She may be weary. Young girls, they do get weary. Wearing that same old shaggy dress. Ooh, why she gets weary? Won't you try a little tenderness? You know she's there waiting, just anticipating for the things that she'll never, ever, ever have. But ooh, while she's there waiting, won't you try a little tenderness for Christmas? Yeah, alright. It's not just sentimental, no. She had a love, she had a grief care. But when them soft words are spoken, it make it easier to bear. Oh, you won't regret it. Girl, say don't forget it. Oh, the happiness they can share. But ooh, when you get weary, won't you try a little tenderness? Yeah, whoa. Come on and hold her, squeeze her, never leave her. You got to try some tenderness. Come on and hold her, squeeze her, never leave her. You got to try some tenderness. Come on and hold her, squeeze her, never leave her. Try some my favorite Christmas song. Thank you.